2,742 minutes in total. Make a decision. From the wheel. That's the last I think. All good. Where are you getting those money from? Money talks. Daily cash. So it's from TOPSLOT. I got no excuse. I just want you to use me. Take me and abuse me. I got no taboos when it comes to this exact bonus round. So it is crazy time. Money, money, money must be funny. So enjoy it. Enjoy it. Hey, you better predict something better. We do have triple on the wheel, and also we do have green, blue, or yellow. 3 flappers, 1 choice. All to pick is here. Lose the most shows 1. 200x to apply the highest one. Good luck. Would you look at it?
Five X on a coin flip from the top slot. Aye. Get the 50x top slot. I wish, Darwin, I wish. Another pachinko, let's go. That's how we will finish the session. So, here, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see, by the back to pachinko we go. 3, 5, 7, 10, 15, 20, 25, 40, 200. Well, you know how they go. You know how the pachinkos usually go. 200x is the max. Here, let's see. What are we gonna get here? Just one time, you know? Come on, just one time. Straight to 200. For the Christmas spirit, you know? 200x right back. Hey, congratulations, all of you. Let's go back. So, ladies and gentlemen, my time is up. Wish you all best of luck with my amazing colleague.
I think everyone knows it already. Okay, here we go. Wonderful, fantastic, too. We are having right now, lovely is beautiful. Congratulations to those that are yours. And of course, honey, if the session is not going the way how you want it, you can always change things up. But again, for you to decide. Oh, DDS, darling, I will never be the most beautiful one for everyone, obviously. It is impossible. And I would never want to be the most beautiful one for everyone. Yes, GDS. It's same as for us all. Not everyone will love us, and it is completely fine. As long as you love yourself, as long as you think that you're amazing, you are all good. But okie dokie, for this time for us to go for crazy time, honey. So let's do this. All right, honeys. It's time. Let's go. All right, darlings, here we are, lovelies. Gorgeous, fantastic, amazing, crazy time in the house. Time to make your decision. Choose your flapper. Oh, yes, darlings. The decision is yours. Green, blue, or yellow. All right, honeys. Top multi 200x. Let's go for that and more. Good luck. Thanks, doubles are high multis that we truly do want to see in here, honeys. And a Merry Christmas, honeys. 250 and 50. Oh, darlings, Merry
dropping it. Whoop. Let's go. Keep it going. Okay. What do we got? What do we got? Okay, 10x. Ain't that bad. Ain't that bad at all. Well, congratulations to you. 10,576 total winners. Johnny, Loss, and Griffith. Congratulations to you. Congratulations to you. Now, once again, look at that recap. Remember about the bet on all auto play options as well. And here we go. Let's go. 10x on the number 2 from the top slot. Okay, back-to-back bonus games this time. Let's go get something crazy up in here. Follow me. Welcome to the biggest wheel in the whole entire planet. Don't Google that. Just trust me, it's true. All right. So pick your flapper. Is it going to be the green one, blue one, yellow one? You decide, you choose. And if you can't pick light out, I'll pick it for you. Simple as that. Simple as that. All right, top multiplier 100x. Good luck. Okay, doubling the fun. On that green, well, top multiplier 200x. Good luck. Woo! Let's double again. Top multiplier 400x. Good luck. Nice. 200. Hey guys, welcome back. Now 11,989 total winners, loss, and index. Congratulations to all of you top winners. Let's spin again, guys. Nice, you got 200x on that green. I'd say pretty nice. Pretty nice right there. Yeah, congratulations to you. Well, 8,436 total winners. KJ, Shahada, and Perry. Congratulations to all of you. And let's go spin that wheel of mythicality. I'm kidding. This ain't good mythical morning. Nuh-uh. And woo! Rick's on crazy time. Hey, happy holidays to you as well, guys. Okay, about to be going on a trip in our favorite rocket ship to Pachinko. We got to drop the puck. Let the money trickle down. Let's see those multipliers, huh? All right. Whoosh. Let's go. Okay, starting off at a 5x. Not bad, not bad. We got a 7x, 10x, 15x, 20x, 25x, 40x, 200x doubles. Let's go upstairs. Let's get him, let's get him. Okay. Whoop. Here we go. What do we got, what do we got? Come on, Mickey Pop. Take that! 200x, baby. This is how we doing it. Crazy time. All right, 15,490 total winners, Lost, Wild, and Kron. Congratulations to all of you top winners. Doing great, doing nice.
Let Sigma girl. Oh. Juan, please. No. No. Let's not do that. Please not that. Break some pachinko, and we be going outside with that number 1 in town. Yup. Number 1's in town. 5,432 total winners. Hey, that's 2x, guys. Woo! You know what they say. A 2x for sure is better than 1x. 17,416 total winners. Compliments to all of you. And let's get going with another round. Here we go now. We popping it. We locking it. We dropping it. That's our 3rd pachinko though. In the span of 10 rounds. Yeah, well, I mean, hey. 5x on pachinko from the top slot. Let's see. You're the Christine. Hey! Okay, hold your horses, guys. That's pachinko with a 5x multiplier from the top slot. How about that? Back-to-back pachinkos. Let's go. Let's get them. Come on. Come on. Come on. Let's get that spicy stuff. 5x. Woo! Okay, come on. Then we got a 5x. Don't worry, guys. Don't worry, guys. Hold on. Everything's gonna be back in a jiffy. See? Alright. Let's just wait a bit. You're gonna see the multipliers in the jiffy. Hold on. And that's gonna turn on. And this gonna turn on. Come on. Hold your horses. And then this one. Boom! Look at all these multipliers. Okay, let's go upstairs. Here we go now. Here we go. Alright. What are we bound to get? Because that is a 5x multiplier from the top slot. Okay, how about a 200x? I mean, gotta admit, that is better than a 2x. Think about that. Alright. Well. Look at that. Now we've got some 17,978 total winners. Compliments to all of you. And here we go. Let's get them. Exactly, ladies and gentlemen. We be fine, we be good. Now, let's see what else we can get over here. It's the number 1 in town. Number 1 is coming to town. So, 7,271 total winners, 975 Claudino and Riz. Congratulations to all of you top winners. Riz? Is that Riz? It's not even mentioned.
Make something at the pottery, right? Something at the pottery, like stars, for example, to hang there, or maybe even like a, you know, I know nowadays people, because of fire safety, don't really hang candles in the tree, but I feel like that would still be pretty cute. But I have a cat, so that wouldn't work out. But it would be pretty cute to have like little sort of star. Oh, it's crazy time with 5x. Guys, are you excited? Because I'm excited. Let's go. Follow me. X maximum. Let's go. Whoop, whoop. Yellow got 500x, baby. Top multiplier. 125x on blue, 75x on green. Welcome back. Go Team Yellow. Congrats to the winners. Please
Q, Griffin, and Johnny. Good job. Let's go again. Betting time is open. Last Christmas, I gave you my heart. Okay, no more bets. But yeah, I was thinking like a little star with like somewhere to put those little tea candles in. That would be cute. 2x on Crazy Time. We're landing on 10, however. 10. Here we go. Give yourself a merry little Christmas. That's my favorite Christmas song. It's nice. Oi. Let's do it again. No way. No way. We are repeating the history. Are you kidding me right now? No, we are not kidding, guys. This is 50x on Cash Hunt. I'm gonna faint. It's 100x at 75 there. Okay, let's go. It's 50x on top. It's 50x on top. Let's go, guys. Okay, you ready? Mixing around. Okay, I need to breathe in, breathe out. I need to calm down, guys. I need to remind you now, this is your moment. This is our moment. We will experience the highest win of the day, probably. 5K is the highest win to catch here, all right, guys? Make your choices. Choose wisely. Lots of delicious finger-licking good multipliers right there. So, the big reveal is here, and we have our results right up in here. Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready to see the reveal? How many people got what? Back to the wheel we are, and you know what? This is Santa you're talking to. Congratulations, more than 11K of total winners, guys. Congratulations. What a nice moment.